Good morning. We're here with Lorcan from VMware. Lorcan, could you introduce yourself, please?
Certainly can. Yeah, so my name's Lorcan Burke. I look after strategy and architecture for our global service provider customers.
Lorcan, just a few questions really. Could you tell us what are some of the significant challenges that CSPs are facing nowadays?
So I think a lot of the challenges involve this whole transition towards more cloud-native architectures. So moving away from vertically integrated, hardware-constrained platforms into something that allows them to deliver a lot of scalability up and down. I mean, a lot of what we're showing here in the sustainability area is just how we can scale down and save a lot of energy. So that's a key part of what we're working on at the moment.
Right. And how do you see VMware Telco Cloud and 6WIN VSR meet these challenges, help CSPs meet these challenges?
So I think it's that elasticity, if nothing else, right? So I mean, part of what we're showing here is that if I was able to move all workload in Europe to where there was places of sustainable energy, so wind energy coming out of off the Irish Sea, right, for instance, right? So if I moved all that workload there, I'd save maybe 50% of the carbon being burnt in data centers in Europe. So a key underlying part for that is my routing and switching infrastructure. So, I think 6WIN play a big role in that automation, allowing us to move that workload around.
That's great. And how does 6WIN VSR, both in VNF and CNF formats, help VMware?
Yeah, so a big part of that is choice, right? So a lot of our service providers on various parts of the journey towards cloud native or multi-cloud. So in doing that, they need choice, right? So if you've got a more virtualized infrastructure, you can start there, move towards containerized as you're ready, and allow that migration for different applications over time. So it's a very, very critical aspect to what we do.
Right. So what do you think about this partnership, the 6WIN and the VMware partnership? What are your views on it?
Yeah, very, very important, right? So, I mean, having the asset of a fully functioning routing and infrastructure is really key for a lot of what we're trying to do in terms of minimum reducing energy and then the elasticity of demand. That's a really key part.
Right.